Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the convert function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will convert a number from one measurement system to another. So for example, from meters to feet, from pounds to kilograms, from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to convert a few elements. So we are going to do the following conversions. With the use of this amount right here. So we're going to convert 100 meters into feet. We're going to convert 100 pounds into kilograms, 100 degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. So for the purpose of for the convert function, the way it's going to work, we need three arguments. So the first one will be the element that we want to convert. So it's going to be 100. We need the measurement from which one to convert it and the measurement to which one to convert it. So here it's going to be meters to feet, pounds to kilograms, Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's start. So first of all, we're going to start by writing down an equal sign, and then we can write down our convert function. So convert, just like this. And then we can open up our parentheses. So numbers, it's going to be 100. Then our unit will be, in our first case, meter. So we are going to just open up those little elements right here, and we are going to look for meters. So we'll just write down M, and just like that here we are going to have meters. And then we want to convert our meters into feet, so we can add a comma, and then the second unit will be feet. So I'm just going to do it like this, and then just look for feet. Here we go. And just like that, I know that 100 meters is equal to 328 foot. So the next thing that we are going to convert will be from pound to kilograms. So once again, we're going to do the same thing. So we can just go here and start with our equal sign. We can write down convert. Then the first thing that we want to convert will be our number 100. Then it's going to be from the unit pound. So we're just going to write down pound. And here we go. So we have our pounds right here. We want to convert our pounds from pound to kilograms. So we'll just write down. And we can run it. So we know that 100 pounds will be equal to 45 kilograms in this, for this example right here. Then the next thing that we want to convert, we want to convert 100 degrees Fahrenheit into how much it is in degrees Celsius. So it's going to be the same thing. We're going to write down our convert function, so convert. And then we can choose our number at first. Then the second element, we want to look for Fahrenheit. So once again, we are going to enter our F here. So degrees Fahrenheit, we can select it. And then we're gonna do the same thing and simply enter C. So degrees Celsius, and we can enter it as well. And just like that, we know that 100 degrees Fahrenheit will be equal to 37.7778 degrees Celsius. So this is how you use the convert function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.